Do, do, do. So I'm not allowed to drink this. You're the worst roommate ever. You know that? You bought so many of these. And you want to just let me have one? Why are you so selfish? I'll pay you back for it if I have to. Smell it. Tell me how it smells. That's what you get. And that is exactly what you get for being mean to me. It's not like I'm stealing your food. I'm only stealing one drink. One drink. Besides, this is my house. You only pay some rent here. But I own it. It's in my name. You really are the worst roommate ever. Ugh, whatever. You're gonna make me feel bad about it? About stealing your monster, but guess what? I don't feel bad. Not at all. In fact, the fact that it upsets you gets me a little more excited. Makes me a little more happy. I'm just mischievous like that. I love getting under your skin. So much fun. You find it gross when I burp in your face? Guess what? I don't care. Oh, so gross. Then leave. Leave. Move out if I'm such a problem. I could get a million others to rent for me. I'm a fucking delight. Duh. But you would need a reference. And if I'm your reference, well, sweetie, things are not going to end well for you, huh? I'll tell them that you were selfish, never wanted to share anything of yours. And I'll tell them you wet the bed. Maybe. Well, you don't like that I'm drinking your monster, and you're being quite mean about it, so maybe I should be mean too. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm only mean if you are. Like, I'm not a mean person. But if you do something mean to me, you're not gonna A, live it down, or B, get away with it. I think that's only fair. What do you think? I mean, the tin's almost finished. I'm kidding, it's like over there. You want a sip? My black lipstick is all over it. Take a sip. Give me a big burp. If you burp really loudly, you can stay. If you don't, well, then I guess you gotta move out. Let's hear it. I mean, that wasn't bad, but it wasn't good either. Try again. Let me hear it. I mean, I guess that's fine. It's okay, I guess. You could do better than that, I'm sure. I sure can. Listen. You could never outburp your goth roommate, even if you tried. So, keep trying. Oh. It's filling up. This pale belly of mine is starting to bloat. Look at that belly bulge. Oh, I really wanted to wear this top without the lace today, but it's cold. It's really cold, so I had to put it on. Also, don't you have like people coming over? I always have a problem with what I wear. Oh, it's bloating my belly like crazy. You don't get to have any monster. Not anymore. No, you can smell it. You can look at it. I think it's better if you smell my burp, though. There you go. Sniff, sniff. You do another one. Let's see. Let's hear it. I guess it's okay. It's not bad. It's not good. It's just all right, I guess. It's so yummy. It's just so tasty. I feel sorry for you for not drinking this one. However, you have so many more in the fridge. So stop being selfish and just share it with me. But I think we both know I'm going to finish them. If you don't want me to drink them, don't buy them and put them in my fridge. Maybe you should get your own fridge. Just saying. You use a lot of my shit. And you don't need to. You've got money. You can do it. You can buy your own shit. I mean, you could always buy me things, though. I mean, why not? You have so much money already. Might as well share some of it. That's it. This is how I'm going to teach you how to share. With your sexy roommate. Just share your things more often, like your money and your monsters. What else can you share with me? You can share your Netflix. And I'll just share the ability, the privilege, I should say, the privilege of looking at me all day. Because we both know that's a privilege, not a right. Let's put her away for now. We need to bloat her a little more. I want you to see what the outcome is of one monster can. What it does to my belly. Feels so good. Feels so good. Good. How can you hate me? I'm adorable. And you want me to steal everything from you. You want me to share all your stuff with you. Especially your money. Yeah. I mean, you don't really have anything to spend it on. You might as well just spend it on me. You can buy me lots of food, lots of different things to drink. What do you think? Is that a deal? Yeah. I sure hope it is. Right for me. Yeah. You see, your burps suck. I need to do it for both of us. Because I look good doing it too. Oh, fuck off. Tastes so good. It feels so good. Look at my chin. It's full of lipstick. It's finished. And you only have one sip. Oh man, that felt good. My belly's all bloated and stuff now. I'm ready for the day. Now I'm gonna go edit some things.